And to add to the party, we brought Mabel back in. Because we don't necessarily want, like winter babies. So we took her out of the boys' pen, the mating pen, and put her in here. So the next time everybody will be mated will be, they'll get together like September-ish. September, October-ish, so that we can have March, April babies, and then we can have later September babies. What are you guys doing to my legs?
Headbutting him.
Hello, hi. Hi, Nibbler. Hi, friend. Ow, you slut!
You just scared Nibbler.
I know I did, but she bit me. Hi, Nibbler.